Hi guys, you're watching Bollywood Live and I'm Rukmini Chopra. We have with us the ravishing Mehak Chahal. Are you excited to be here?
Yes, I am really excited. It's the #1.com gossip
Thank you for
site.
that.
Everybody goes to this site to know what's happening and who's dating who, and really like it's the Bible of Bollywood. Yes, I'm definitely very happy to be
Do you
here.
visit our site often to know the latest gossip?
I do. I follow you guys on Twitter. I follow you guys on Facebook. So it's easy, it's like earlier in times people will go and buy film fare and sit at places. I'm not saying that people don't do that, but now everything is in your hand, it's in your phone. So it's just like quickly you're on the site and you see what's happening and the Bollywood news basically. And it's the industry that I work in. So for me, it's also important to see what's happening.
I would like to ask you your experience in Bigg Boss Halla Bol and how different was that from the season 5 which you were in?
It was different for me because when I was there in the season 5, it was from the first day till till the last day, as everybody saw, and there was many months also, so it becomes much more harder. So the pressure was much more. This time the difference was because I came in quite late, almost towards the end, and it was also I've done it before. So when you already had the experience of this previously, and then when you're doing it the second time, it's not that scary. And also I saw that there was a lot of the other contestants who've been there for a very long time, were really popular. They were cornered more. Right. So the pressure was not so much. I had a very easy time this time, and there was not like major big huge fights, and I didn't find it important enough to just make fights just to come in the limelight, because that's not the person I am also. And I've also matured from that time. It's a few 2-3 years also, so that also makes a difference also, that when you come out and you see yourself and you say that why was I so stuck on these things, so you learn from the things and the mistakes, and so that way these were the few different things.